Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken guisado in this amazing tomato sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chicken guisado in this amazing tomato sauce, these are the ingredients. Tomatoes, 1 chile serrano optional, half an onion, 1 bell pepper, 2 chile pasilla pods, 2 bay leaves. I have garlic clove, Mexican oregano, chicken bouillon, Mexican oregano, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose flour, tomatoes, and of course the chicken. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start by first preparing this amazing sauce. I have my frozen tomatoes here. I'm going to add 1 cup of water and I'm going to take it to the stove in high heat. And now I am ready to prepare the chicken. This is with bone in. I am going to go ahead and start adding Mexican oregano, black pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of each, with the exception of the all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. I have a pan with vegetable oil, nice and hot, and I am going to sear the chicken from both sides. It's gonna take about 4 minutes on each side. While this is cooking, I am ready to continue getting the veggies ready. I have here the chile pasilla pods that I'm going to remove the stem. All the seeds, I'm going to rinse them out really good because the pasilla chili pod is going to give such an amazing flavor to the sauce. I'm going to add it here into the tomatoes. And then I am going to continue with the potatoes. I am going to take the skin off. I am going to cube it. You decide how small, how large you want your cubes of potato. And I'm going to continue with the rest. And here, let me show you that I am flipping over the pieces of chicken. Just like that. You want to sear them really good to obtain all those juices in there. That's why we're going to sear them. And now I have the bell pepper here that I'm going to cube. I just want the bell pepper to release the amazing flavor into the sauce. So I'm going to cube it. I have the half an onion here. Of course, the onion is going to release the amazing flavor, and all the veggies are ready to go. Now let's go and let's prepare the amazing sauce. I'm going to add the tomatillos, the tomatoes. I'm going to add the pasilla chili pods. I'm adding the spices, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano, black pepper, and the 2 garlic cloves. We are going to blend completely. Nice and smooth, we're gonna just leave it there. And now I'm ready to remove the pieces of chicken. They are really nice and golden brown from both sides. And now I'm ready to add the potatoes. I'm going to cook it for about 4 minutes so that they really obtain all the drippings of the chicken. The potato is going to absorb all those amazing flavors. I'm adding a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and now I am ready to add the bell peppers and the onion. Once you add this, just cook it for another 2 minutes, 3 minutes max. And then you are ready to add the sauce. You don't want your potatoes to be crispy. You just want them to absorb all the amazing drippings of the chicken. Once this is done, make sure that you add your 2 Baileys and you add the amazing sauce you made earlier. I'm gonna add just maybe like half a cup of liquid into the blender cup so that I could take everything out of the blender cup. This sauce really comes out delicious and amazing. And now when it starts kind of bubbling, you're ready to add your chicken inside. Once you add your chicken, you are going to cover it, let it cook in medium heat for about 10-15 minutes. And when it starts really boiling all around, you are ready to taste it to see if you need to add a little more of salt or chicken bouillon. But when it's bubbling, make sure that you taste it. You want to make sure that the taste of the sauce is perfect. If you need to add a little more salt or chicken bouillon, this is the time to do it. So I'm going to taste it. To my tasting, I hope this is amazing, perfect. I'm going to cover it one more time. I'm gonna add my chile serrano and I'm gonna cook it for another 20 minutes in medium heat. After the 20 minutes, you wanna check your potatoes. You want your potatoes to be al dente, not overcooked, but when you put your fork inside, it comes apart. So that means this is done. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover it, turn it off, and get ready the presentation plate. Of course, I am going to enjoy this delicious and amazing dish with white rice. You have many recipes of rice on my channel. And here I'm gonna add, of course, a little heart of rice. And now I am ready to add the chicken, the potato. My mouth is watering. The aroma has invaded my kitchen and I am ready for the presentation. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. This looks amazing and it's going to taste delicious. This is the authentic dish from Saguayo, Michoacan. You are going to love the taste, the texture, and of course, it's mouth-watering. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious pollo guisado. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. Of course, I want to get a little bit of everything, and like I love spicy food, well, I'm going to enjoy my serrano chili. Excuse me. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this delicious Mexican recipe. If you like and love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.